with Squarespace, you can now directly upload files, whether that's PDF, which is what most people will do, or something else entirely. And with this, you can link to those files and have people download them. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you the easiest way to get them uploaded. So what you want to do is head into Pages, which lives under Website, and then you're going to click plus, and you're going to find Link. So you click on Link. Where you've got URL here, you're going to click on this, and you'll see File. So this is where you can upload your files. Most people in this instance are going to use PDFs. So if I click on this upload icon, you see here, this is a presentation I did for Squarespace. Click open. What this is going to do is it's going to upload the PDF and give it its own link. So we'll wait for that to upload. Okay, great. If I hit save, I need to give it a title. Let's go PDF. Nice and easy. Now, if I click on here, you'll see that the file itself has a link. So a unique link that you click, and you can then view the PDF. So you can see the PDF, and what users can do is they can download it too. So they just click up here and download it to their computer. And that is that, a super simple way to upload your files to Squarespace. If you found that useful, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.